Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about identifying angles from 3 letters. Now remember, there's 2 different ways we can name angles. We can name angles with 1 letter, such as this angle right here, angle C. Notice it's all by itself. Okay? If I say angle C, we all know what we're talking about. Or with 3 letters, such as here, angle CDF. Notice they're giving us 3 letters. But that leads us to the question, is it angle C? Is it angle D? Is it angle F? What angle are they talking about? So we're going to take a look at how to identify these different angles with 3 letters. So let's take a look. Angle CDF looks something like this, okay? Let's go ahead and trace this out, and in fact, let's pick a different pen color here. Let's try purple here. So CDF, let's just connect the points in order and see if that helps us with where our angle is. So C to D to F. Notice if I trace it, that makes an angle right here. So this is the angle I'm talking about. So let's clear this off here. So when we talk about CDF, we're looking at the middle letter. That's my vertex, and C and F tell me which lines to go down. So to answer this, I'm going to pick a line on CD and move it to CF or DF, or go on from DF and go to DC. Notice how I've highlighted that angle right there. All right, and let's check our answer. That looks good. So let's go to our next problem. Let's look at one more. Notice EFG. Now this time I'm not going to highlight it, but notice I've got EFG. F is going to be my vertex, the corner of my angle. So EFG. I'm going to go from E to G. Notice I could extend this if I wanted to, but that would be EFA. I only want to go from E to F to G. Okay? Now notice something. Say you click on this point right here and you try to make that angle. Notice that this is a point that they're talking about with G. So you need to pick one close to F, and then we're going to go from E to F to G. So that's how we identify angles with 3 letters. This is just a little practice just to refresh your memory about how to do this, because we're going to use angles with 3 letters all the time in the future. So we want to make sure we have this down.